everyone, welcome back to our Easily Yangon channel. This is Sandi, you can call me Sandi. Today I'm your host. Let's go and find something to eat and drink. So hang out with me. Oh, this is really quiet street. I think I can find some trend there. So let's keep walking with me. I found there is a small food shop, and let's go there and check it out. Well, the seat is full, so let's keep walking. So far, I can see housing an apartment, but I can still see the street food yet. So it's still kind of dry, but nothing to eat here. Yeah. Small groceries, fruit shop. Yeah. Well. Oh, it's starting to sunny. Hot. Well, I found a tea shop there, so let's go. Oh, careful, careful. Ah. Well, this is my order, lemon salad and lime juice, so let's try it. Not too sour, the taste is normal. It's so fresh, yeah. Actually, maybe a little bit strange because I ordered both sour taste. Because the water is so hot, I need to fresh. That's why. Yeah. Yummy. The price is 1,700 for each, so total is 3,400, which is around $1.30. So it's kind of fair. I want to shout out to Mr. Mimi, who is the advanced member of our membership program. I'm really appreciative for your help, sir. Thank you so much for your supporting to our channel, Mr. Mimi. So, thank you. Let's go back to the road. Oh my god. There is a little sportswear shop in the latter place. Oh, there are most of like a City Express and one stop like big grocery. Oh, I found this kind of trees on the platform. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Well, I don't see any more food vendors near, so I'm gonna stop my video today here. If you like my video today, you can like this video and this video. So, bye bye, see you guys in the next video. Ta-da!